If you're someone who loves traveling but keep forgetting those small things that actually matter, this video is for you. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a full-blown vacation, these Amazon finds have genuinely made my trips smoother. Not just random cute stuff, these are the things I have used myself. Also, if you're watching me for the first time, hi, I am Kriti. I make videos around fashion, lifestyle, wellness, and basically all the little things that make adulting a little bit easier. So let's get into the products because you might just find your next favorite travel essential. The first one is this portable travel lock. It is a small but really useful product, especially when you are staying in hotels or Airbnb homes. It's very easy to use. I will show you how to use it. Start by identifying the latch on your door. Insert this metal piece into the latch. Then simply close the door from the inside. Now take the round pin and insert it into this hole. Just twist it to lock, and that's it. The door is now secured and no one can open it from the outside. And if your door has a smaller latch, use this part instead. Place it into the latch area, then close the door. Now take this moon-shaped piece and slide it into these notches. Choose the slot based on how tight or loose you want it. And it comes with a little travel pouch, so it's very easy to carry it along with you. Just pack it in this travel pouch and good to go. I started using it after one of my friend recommended it, and honestly it gives me so much peace of mind. Would you use something like this when you travel? Let me know in the comments. Next is this flashlight. This is something I did not think I need until I actually use it on a trip. Apart from its size, there are multiple features which make this flashlight unique. First one is you can use two types of cell in this. One is a bigger rechargeable cell, so I have this. It comes with the battery itself, and another is this AAA battery compartment. Second is it comes with a zoom in and zoom out option. And the most cool feature, it comes with a charger for the bigger cell, so you can put the cell here and just charge it. Next we have is this portable hair straightener. Best part is it is cordless and can be charged with a USB. And you can easily fit it in a travel pouch. It comes with these 3 heat modes. You can choose as per your preference. I don't like carrying bulky styling tools, so this one comes handy and is perfect for just fixing your front hair or just giving you a little touch up. Also, it heats up pretty fast. Next up, we have this medicine travel organizer box, and I never travel without this. So when I'm traveling, I carry painkillers or anti-allergy tablets or even ointments. This keeps your bag clutter-free and makes things easy to find. This is obvious but important. Good power bank is a must while traveling. So I use this one from Belkin. It's a magnetic one. Just look at how slim it is. This is a must-have, especially if you're using your phone for navigation, photos, music or videos like me. This is a must-have. This next one is something most people don't even think about. I'm talking about water purification tablets. This is a pack of 100 tablets. Just one tablet is enough for 1 liter of water. All you have to do is drop one tablet in 1 liter of water, leave it for 30 minutes and your water is safe to drink. Take one tablet and drop it into 1 liter of water. Now just watch the magic happen. The tablet starts dissolving, releasing bubbles as it works. Wait for about 15 minutes and your water is now purified. Tell me in the comments, have you ever heard of this product? Okay, now let's talk about something that's not cute but so real. I'm talking about sweat patches. I personally sweat a lot in summer, especially around my underarms, and these sweat patches comes as a lifesaver. So it comes in this box and each of the sweat patch is separately packed. You just stick them on the inside of your clothes and it absorbs all the sweat. I always keep a few in my travel bag, especially when I know that I will be out the whole day. This one's honestly a must-have, a proper toiletry bag. So before this, I used to throw everything in random pouches and it was such a mess every single time. It has multiple compartments to store your all the travel essentials. Makeup, brushes, skincare, everything. And the best part, it comes with a hook so you can easily hang it and just use the product. Next one is this face trimmer from Lifelong. So it comes with 3 attachments. This one is for face or upper lips. This is for eyebrow. One is for bikini area or underarms, and it comes with a USB type charging cable. This is so compact, charges fast, and I love that I don't have to worry about threading or razors when I'm traveling. Honestly, I feel every girl should have this razor. Now last but but not the least is the eye mask. And this is not just random cute stuff. This actually blocks the light because I literally cannot sleep in flights or hotels if it's not fully dark. So if you are someone like me who gets irritated with tiniest of the light while sleeping, this is the one for you. I keep this in my carry-on or handbag all the time when I'm traveling. Let me know, are you someone who can sleep anywhere or you need full blackout like me? Alright, so those were my current travel essentials that I keep reaching for. I would love to know what travel products you never travel without, and if you found something useful from this list, comment below and I will share the links with you. Don't forget to like the video and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.